Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can withdraw your money from your Phantom wallet through Binance. So first, we have to open our Phantom wallet. I have opened my Phantom wallet here. Here in the home page, you can see the option Send. By clicking on this option, you can see different coins. You have to select one coin. I am selecting Polygon here. Now after selecting your coin, you can see the option to username or address. For finding this username, we have to open our Binance now. Now I have opened my Binance here. Here in Binance, you can see the deposit option in the home, assessed option in the bottom. Here in wallet, you can see your total balance. You can see the option deposit, withdraw, buy and transfer. As we want to deposit, so we will click on the option deposit. By clicking on this option, you have to research your coin. Here I will gonna research for Polygon. Now you have to choose a network. I'm choosing Polygon POS. After choosing the network, you can copy your deposit or Polygon address from your Binance, and after copying this address, you have to again come to your Phantom wallet. Here you have to paste the address that we have copied from our Binance. After pasting the address, you have to write the amount of money you want to send, and that's how you can withdraw money from Phantom wallet through Binance. And if we talk about Binance depositing fee, for most of the cryptocurrencies, Binance don't charge any depositing fee. It's free. If we compare Binance with other apps like Bybit and Coinbase, Binance is best for its low fee, and Binance is also best for wide access support. Now we're going to talk about the pros and cons of Binance over other exchanges. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. Binance supports 300 plus cryptocurrencies. Low trading fee. Binance is best for low fee trading and multiple trading options like spot trading, margin trading and P2P trading, giving more flexibility than most exchanges. Many exchanges like Coinbase only focus on spot trading and fast transition. Binance has highest trading volume globally. Strong security feature. User-friendly for beginner and advanced traders, P2P trading and low-cost flat deposit. Binance is a mobile and desktop app. Now if we talk about the cons of Binance, Binance face legal challenges in multiple countries, not always beginner-friendly. The variety of options can be difficult for new users and limited customer support. These are the cons of Binance. Now you better know about Binance. If you find this video useful, do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That was all about withdrawing money from Phantom wallet through Binance.